Heya fellas, this is Steen Felix and you're watching Jack Steen Anniversary Dinner.
Oh!
Anniversary ka dyan.
Yoo-hoo! Here. You put lipstick.
Ano na ito dyan? Holding.
Holding hands.
Butong na sa ko. Dalawa naman ang pamag.
We sit here.
Yeah. Padyo, masagwarta. Hindi po sit.
Huh?
Ayaw pa ni Delisa.
Huh?
Eh, off na lang. Happy anniversary, Padyo!
Yoo-hoo! Come again.
Still up there.
Uma na lang mara din sa town.
Whichever, you guys are the...
Across the street.
Okay?
Karaoke?
Sakay-sakay pag yun.
You go. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop.
All the way?
Hindi ako nalagdaan na, be.
You're gonna sit in front with me?
No,
it's
just
just
cross.
crossing.
Oh, you walk.
Ikaw lang.
Okay.
Bye, see you later.
Have a good jogging. Up la. Hoopla. Hoopla Gangnam Style.
Let's escape us.
Pork ribs, sabi sa Gangnam ribs. Pork ribs na Gangnam ribs. Sabi. Kada Gangnam ribs, pork ribs. Ribs na siya. Pork ribs. Hi guys, we're here right now in cafe, what called Gangnam Coffee and Dine. We are celebrating our 10th year anniversary. No, actually, it's our 11th year anniversary. As when we were still
Young and beautiful.
what you call this, girlfriend and boyfriend. We're still not married. So it's supposed to be. It's actually our 11 years.
That's when we had breakfast in there.
No, not yet. We were still in LA. And so now, soon by October, it's our 10th year anniversary already. But for now, since our 11th year anniversary, just reliving our lives before when we were not married, when we became a couple. So we are celebrating today our anniversary. So as you can see in our background, it's so nice. The projector, nice background. Feel like we're in the ocean.
Yoo-hoo!
But we're waiting for our order for this time. So we'll show you later what we ordered. But so far we ordered for the shrimp mussels in white wine, then the Gangnam ribs, and what was the Shoujo tuna something. We'll show you that later. This is the Shoujo tuna pokeball. Poke, how do you pronounce that? But
Oh.
so nice. The veggies and the dilis.
What the?
Shrimps and mussels and white wine.
Oh, it's the vein pa dyan.
Gangnam Red.
Share na tayo. But yeah, we share all together so we can taste everything.
I don't need tuna.
Hope you enjoy watching this video. Follow my socials at SteinFelix83. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.